Hi guys, welcome back. This is another video for the Python for data analysis, and the concept is about rank series. Okay, how can you rank series values with the rank method on sample data set using Python for data analysis? Okay, here basically this is the data I have utilizing name, and this is a score. Okay, and this is the before going to utilize this panda, let me make sure you should import the import panda as PD. Now I'm going to create a panda series, means I have created one variable. I'm calling the PD. Okay, this package, and this dot series data equal to I'm assigning the column name. Okay, and this equal to data name I have mentioned. Then I'm printing the series. So actually this above code is a panda series named series. The name has the index and the score has the value. So this is the series I have created, and now going to print this one. Okay, so now it got printed. So Alice 90, Bob 85, Charlie 78, David 95. Okay, and this data type belongs to integer. I have integer type, and the code created panda series named series with name has index and the score has the value. So ranking with there are two ways to use the ranking method. One is basic ranking, known as ascending order. Okay, for example, I have created one variable rank series. Then I'm calling this variable, okay, series dot rank function, and I'm passing the argument ascending equal to true. Okay, now whenever we are going to, this is one method, guys. So whenever passing ascending equal to true, it is going to give the ascending result for the ranking purpose. Where we have get the sham has a 3.0. For example, let me execute this one. Not a why, because this is like previous series of output, guys. I just want to execute it again. If you observe here, Alice 3.0, Bob 2.0, Charlie 1.0, David 4.0. So here apply the ranking method to the series. Set ascending equal to true, default to rank score in ascending order. Lowest score gets rank 1, highest to get the highest rank. Okay. For example, each name now has corresponding rank based on a score. 1 for Bob and get the lowest score, 4 for David with the highest score. Why? Because if you see the result, we have David for 95. So it is allocated 4.4. Okay. So basically it allocating the rank series by utilizing the series that rank method. Okay. Now another example, rank with the method argument. The rank method is also method argument to specify how to handle equal value. For example, Sham 3.0, Rahim. Let me, sorry, Dave, this is our previous output data. Now I'm going to this. Okay. So rank series dot rank method equal to average. I want to give the average on this rank series data set. The code uses the method equal to average argument, which assign the average rank to the tied values. So whenever any tied values are there, it is going to assign the average on this data. So basically 3.0, 2.0, 1.2, 4.0. So this is the data set we are getting. So like this is one of the method you want to utilize, or for example, I want to apply max. Okay, it is going to assign the maximum value. It's like a rank method equal to number. I'm just changing the method. In this case, for example, the both Alice and Charlie have the same score, 78, and I want to see the both Alice and Charlie. Okay, Alice and Charlie, 78 we have. Okay. Yeah, okay. So both Alice and Charlie have the same score, so they assign the average rank of 2 plus 3 by divided by 2. Average, if you apply the average, okay. For example, let me give Alice and Charlie same rank. Okay, I'm going to assign this one here, same here. Now, one more thing, I want to pass the value here, average. Okay, now rerun the code again. Why? Because I have modified the data set, right? 78, 78. Now I'm going to execute this one. Now I want to execute second method. So here, okay, I have applied the, so now the result got changes this. Okay. So earlier it was, why? Because I have modified the data. Alex and Charlie same cake and same cake. Now if you see, the Charlie have the Alex and Charlie have the same score stated. So the assign the average ranking plus 2 plus 3 by divided by 2 equal to 2.5. So like this we will get the results. So 1.5, 1.5. Okay. So they got, the result would be mostly on the means, it is going to for smoother transition between rank average means. So ascending equal to default for standard ranking from lowest to highest. Choose a method for handling type based on analysis need. Average a smoother transition between ranks. Minimum max emphasize top or bottom score with ties. First, if the order is tied value is important. Dense means for continuous ranking without gap, useful for visualization, additional nodes. I mean, here below the additional nodes I have provided, you can also use rank on data frame, ranking value with each column. Okay. Consider using data frame dot sort value for sorting rank by other criteria. By using rank method effectively, you can analyze and compare values in your series or data frame based on the relative portion with the data set. And one more thing, guys. So basically, whenever you are going to apply the rank on this data series, okay, make sure which method we have to utilize based on your requirement. In case if you want to proceed series.rank with, you want to find out average of between, between this data series, right? You want to tie the values, those scenarios we can go with this one. Like minimum, max, first, dense ranking, assign a minimum value to the tied values, assign maximum rank to tied values, right? First tied value based on their order of appeal for the first dense similar to minimum, but the rank continuously increased by one, no gaps.